been working remotely for years. We want to extend our knowledge of how technology can help our customers improve communication in this time of crisis. We have a solution, the Crisis Communication Platform. First off is our Communication Manager dashboard. This has all the tools you need to maintain your information flow. The setup is super simple, no developer knowledge is needed. Here you can compose content for your workplace community and publish it within seconds. Company news, company contacts, specific links, FAQs, all of these are very easy to maintain and set up. Like I said, no developer needed. Over here, we have our workplace community user side interface. So in here, you can go to view all the content in one place. And you can also get notified of information through email or your team's platform. And again, coming directly to the site to view this. Move this. Company news. I can go in here and see anything that my office, my company is set up so that I can view easily. Message to our Incentrik community right here. World news, it's a RSS feed here. FAQs, emergency contact, I can make a request. So this request will go to whoever set up an emergency contact. Sending request. I can go back to home and I can share my status so that I can determine if I'm going to be sick, out of the office, or if I'm working from home. And set up the date, I'll be working from home. And then in here, I can share this to my team. I get to select who I share that with. And then I can set up auto response for my emails up in this area. So one of the great features is you can actually use this on the go as well. So I don't know if you can see my phone here. It's all available through an app. So you can manage or view information straight from your mobile device. You can get real-time status updates. So you can stay up to date on the status of your workplace community. You can find out who is out of the office, who's working from home, regardless of their location. So in summary, these are just a few of the many benefits, all of the tools to maintain information flow within seconds, clear, consistent message to all your workplace community in a centralized location, staying current and in the know with company information and worldwide news, go mobile with maintenance information on the go, straight from your mobile device, workplace community presence status reports as well. For more information, click the link below.